So this is it. This is my 96 two-door Tahoe 4x4, and this is with the belltech. I'll put the part number up here for the exact kit that it is, but it's the rear leaf springs and all 4 shocks. And this is the stance. I got no rubbing, I got no issues. Drive shaft is good. Swap the rear leafs, swap the front keys, swap 4 shocks, and that's it. This thing has a whole different like profile to the whole thing. I love it. I got the Mexico front grille, OBS parts on Instagram. I got the front bumper off of a diesel, off LMC trucks. It has 18s from a newer Yukon. I got a 480 swap. This gas station needs to shut up.
And celebrate. Number 3, Northern California.
Shut up, shut up. There it is. Got a 4080. There's a 411 swap. Getting ready for the next big part of the project. But this is it. I also did get some rear leaves, some U-bolts. So right now, this is how we sitting. This thing is looking nice. Closer. Not that close. So let's have a quick moment of silence. My buddy Maz, his rod bolt decided to say peace out, and his piston and spark plug, they made out for a hot second. Fuck that. So please like and subscribe and comment on this. Proceeds will go to helping him get his car back together. His GTO took a poop. It is his daily, so he's walking to work everywhere. They ask him where he's going for lunch, and he says wherever you guys go. So we're yeah.
Sucks.
So we're lowering my Tahoe, my 4x4 Tahoe, with the belltech kit. These are the factory torsion keys. And these are the new torsion keys. So you can see the spring is going to say lower here, and then you have all your adjustment. That's it. If you look here, I just slid the bar back. I'm going to slide this in. And then that right there is going to go in its home. Oh, look at that. And then it goes in its home. And then you do the same for the other side. And that's it. The front's done.
That's it?
That's it. That's it. You just have... let me show you. Come here. Let me learn you. So that sits right there, right?
Uh-huh.
You're going to get this tool.
C-clamp?
Yep, and then that's gonna push the key up.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna put this in between here. See how this home right here?
Mm-hmm.
So that's where this is gonna go.
Right between there.
Right in between there. Oh, it goes in there right now. And then you get this bolt right here. And that is what turns the key up for you to adjust your ride height. So this is all the way slammed right now. This is slam. So, you know.
You should leave it like that.
I should. Oh boy. Just got done with the front. See how it sits? I think it's gonna sit really fucking low. Oh boy. Oh, I gotta finish it. Oh. Oh, okay, it's not that bad. Psh, I could even go lower. Wow. Dude, this is like significant. So that's the belltech. Gap. God damn, and that's the factory one. So this is why I said I'm gonna need your help, because we're gonna need to raise the diff at the same time to mate it up, and then we'll put the U-bolts in and everything.
It's gonna be fucking slammed. It's gonna be so low.
Oh, lower the 4x4, son. Bro, look at the bump stop. I'm surprised I still have the factory bump stop. I may have to remove it. Who knows? I don't think so. We'll see. On the way to get leaves U-bolts. Oh, Ilion! Look at the FRS. Ah! Gay ass halogens. The rear belltech kit is in. This thing is gonna be low. So it looks like I still got room for my drive shaft to slide in and out. Don't mind the rest, has been sitting for a little bit. New U-bolts, all the ones rusted, I gotta cut them. Got the shocks. The factory ones are all blown the hell out. Every single one of them. So, we're gonna put the tires on. I'm gonna lower it slowly. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared here. You hold it. See how far the rear drop. Okay, here. You lower it down here. Little by little.
Let me know when you're ready.
Kill me. Go. Down. 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 Brother. We are clear.
Damn.
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 That's actually high in the front now.
Yeah, if I was to say, I think you're a little squatted.
Drop shaft didn't even move.
Really?
Damn. Alright. So
I gotta adjust the front.
now we just lower the front. All adjustable.
That's nice.
Yeah, look at that, son. That new stance? Yo, this shit, bro, this feels like a race car now. Bro, I got a lower Tahoe out here in these streets. I really got a lower Tahoe, so I'm gonna do my alignment. It rides really good. It's probably gonna be a tow and go. I think I got a little bit of positive caster. Honestly, I mean, that's probably gonna be, we'll see. I'm gonna line it up right now, but it rides so good. I'm off about 5 minutes. Ask me if I care. But that's it. That's the stance, boy. Now it's time to put some gas and see what the gas station lighting look like on the faded ass paint. Shoo! Oh boy, with the fogs on the front end, with the bumper. This thing rides good.